Hello, we are playing Ultimate Chicken Horse. We're online, and we are with 3 different people. With Yale 2, and Goldberg. And we are going to try and win! Let's see, what stage should we try and do? I'm going to try to do the hardest stage, in my opinion. The mainframe. And we are going to see what everyone else chooses. What is Squirrel doing? Okay, trying the clock tower. I see. And it seems... Okay. We're doing dance party. Crap. I don't like that one. Period. But we're doing it, I guess. So if you don't know how this game works, each person gets one item to place, and you gotta try and make the course possible for you, but impossible for the other players. Which this stage right now looks impossible in general! Okay, looks possible, but only one person can beat it. And Yale 2 made it! Well, let's see what else we can add. I'm going to add spiky thing. Yeah, spiky thing, that's what it's called. Putting it right there. This looks possible for all people to do. And look at that, I'm finished. I was first. Okay. So the point system, basically you do good and you get points. I think someone grab the teleporter. It's their choice on what to do with it. Nope, they didn't grab a teleporter. I don't think there's even a teleporter there. I'll place the coin right there. No, no, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, that would be bad! Damn it. Yale is not doing pretty good. It's not doing good at all. Place it bam, just because. Yale's even pretty slow picking. I didn't need to place it! My gosh. Oh, I see. You're placing it right there. Oh, no, I missed. I died. Crap. Now Yale 2's got the coin. And Yale died. Yale 2 won already. Great. Just great. That didn't last very long. As compared to other rounds I played. Okay, what other ones should we do? I will go and try to do the mainframe just like the one I just previously tried to, which is the one I previously tried to do. But no, it was randomized, and it was the dance party. And what's Yale trying to do? Yeah, Yale's not the best at this game, but I'm keeping him in. It's fun to have someone else in here, and it looks like a pyramid. Pyramid. And let's do this. Yeah. Oh, there's a box. The box, basically, if you collect it, you get an item. But multiplayer, you have no idea who gets the item. Even if you collect it, it's not guaranteed that you get the item. And whose is it? And what is it? Yale just got the windmill level. Oh, that's Chinese sand trap! Forgot that was there! Crap. What's Goldberg trying to do? I'm just dancing in the sand pits. Okay. Let's see what's next. I'll pick this. I'll put you there. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll play some wood by the kitty cat. Or not. Okay. Pro tip, don't die. And Goldberg's standing on my head. Yale's the only one that didn't die or complete this. Yeah, 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 yeah! Okay. Let's try... I was going to select the tennis ball launcher, but I guess not. I'll place you there. Hurry up! Okay, let's do this. I will be the first to complete this, but I got hit and died. Ooh, I got Goldberg with my trap. The two Yales. The only two is not complete. Oh, Yale is the last one alive. But that doesn't matter, Eve. Unless he completes it, then he gets a bunch of points. And, yeah, I got it. Okay. Okay, sure. No winners, no points. Let's place a teleporter, which Yale try to pick it up. No, Yale don't. Yale, move! There, hurry up. Yep, there. Wasted a bomb. Someone wasted a bomb. Is this even possible? Ooh, it is possible, just extremely difficult. At least the way I tried to do it. No, where's no points? No one's gotten any points for a few rounds now. I'll place this genie here. There. Now this place seems plausible to complete. Very plausible. Okay. Ooh, yes! 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 Let's go! I did it! Yale is just curling up into a ball. You gotta do something. I believe in you. Maybe not if you don't even do anything. Oh, Yale's got launched upwards. And then all the way at the other side, I completed it. And is now in the lead. Random singing session. What did I grab? Okay, I grabbed the flower. That's what I wanted. The flower is the most powerful thing in the game. Don't you dare take me out on that. No, it is just purely the most powerful thing in the universe. I died! Okay. It seems Goldberg has then completed it. Yale is still at the beginning. And Yale left the lobby. Okay, Goldberg. It's just you and me. Place a coin right there. Seems good enough. What are you trying to do yet? No, Goldberg. Okay. place a saw down, like, let's say, right there. Okay. I see what you did and I don't like it. Just gonna dance for a bit. Cause dancing's cool. Now I got hit by a puck! Got hit by the puck! Okay. What are you doing, Goldberg? Go ahead. Win it. Oh, you are passed me up. That's some great grammar, Mr. Bananas. You are passed me up. What are you doing? Just spinning a spring around. It's not healthy to spin a spring around. You did not just do that. We got our own coin collection over here. And you're gonna make it impossible to get them too. Okay. 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 Okay, don't die! Dying's not fun. Period. Exclamation point. Cheeseburger. Ooh! 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 Yes! 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 That felt great! I won! Yeah! Yeah! Let's move on to the next round. If it loads. We are going to do... We're going to try and do the mainframe. And it is the mainframe! And we are going to do it good. I'll place a spring here. We gotta make it possible complete. I'll place that there. Now the main frame has an interesting gimmick. See all the screen squares? We created them by moving on them. And now they're solid for the next round. That is the gimmick for this really awesome stage. So usually this stage ends up being pretty messy. Oh, but let's do that. You didn't just do that. You didn't just do. Oh, we both died. No winners, no points. Great. Great. I'll place you. No, I wanted that though. I'll place you there. I'll take you. I'll place you there. And what are you doing? I want to know what you're doing. I see what you're doing. I am now dead because I'm dumb. And there you go, you're dead now. How's it feel to be deadified? Okay. That was like stripes. I'll place you there. I'll place the coin Right there. Now it's possible to get the coin. Thank you. Ooh, I made it. Nice. No! I landed on it! I so landed on that! Okay. Now I gotta take this shot out route. Or the route underneath. I'll place you there. What are you planning on doing? Oh my gosh. Because you did that, I'm doing that. Okay. Oh, I died. No, that's not good. Not good at all. Are you trying to kill us, child? If you would have died, my gosh, that'd be hilarious. Just gotta wait for 5 whole years, 5 whole years, 5 whole years. There, I'll place you there. And what are you doing? Just hurry up. Come on, that's not how it works. The honey is not connected. Okay. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. I see, Goldberg, you're trapped. And you fell into my trap. Okay. I'll place the spikes over here. Oh. Okay. I don't like this person's style of difficulty. But sure. I'll place you there. Just why not? Okay. Okay. Okay, no. Okay. What?! I was on the platform and died! Okay. We got this. And there. That's what I wanted to do. I'll take you right here. I'll place you right there. See, look what I mean by how messy it's got. We both died instantly. We're so good at this game. No winners, which means no points. But just come on, I want to win again and again. It's been a full few minutes. I'll take the longer piece of wood so I'll be cooler. And oh boy, oh gosh, oh, okay, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm not alive anymore. It's doing good. How many rounds are left? 3 turns left. Oh boy! Oh boy! Plus you there. Don't get that from your stupid spike trap anymore unless you purposely try to. Take Jatch. Place another coin there just because why not? Okay. Ooh. Ooh. I made it. I died! Now, I am angry. I am angry-fied. I'm grabbing a nuke. And I'm blowing this place up. There's blown up. Boom. Goldberg. Now you must pay the price. And the price is a box! Why did Goldberg start dead?
Oop, where am I? I'm dead. That's where I am.
Okay. Okay. I've got my black holes there. Is that the end? No, this will be the end. Got a staircase. I'll place you there. Why? I just want to. The extra box. The coin will go right there. My gosh. Last round. Make it count. Okay. He's dead. If he's dead, that means... Oh, no! That did not just happen. Not just happen. Why? But that's gonna be the end of the video. And, that all got. See ya.